Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. We are out here hanging out with the animals. Carrie's got Casper here.
Yep.
And we're just kind of hanging out, and we wanted to make a quick video, just really to say thank you to everyone that supported us. You know, we started this thing 5 years ago. We started our YouTube channel, 5 years ago, and now the goats are hitting the camera. So, there's been so much change since then. I mean, back then we were living in the city. We had just started gardening, about a year before that, and just now we're out here on our farm, and just so much in our life has changed for the positive, and really we have all of you to thank for a lot of that, and we just wanted to pause for a moment and just to say thank you. I mean, the perfect day to say it on Thanksgiving, but really we're just I think we always feel this way. We just don't always get a chance to stop and say it. So from us to you, I think that's really what we wanted to say today, is just thank you for everything, for watching our videos, for telling people about our app, for downloading our app, for sending in your ideas for how the app make the app better. It's improved significantly from the first version, and that's because of you guys, because we read your feedback and we implemented what y'all wanted, and and we have hopefully some pretty exciting news coming soon about everything we've been talking about over the years that we want to build, all of the reminders and all of the really cool stuff that we want to do that's been very difficult for us to do when we all have full-time jobs. So hopefully we'll have some news soon about all of that, but today we just wanted to stop and say thank you. Some of y'all may not even know who I am. I'm Dell. I'm the I'm the other half of this with Carrie. We started this together 5 years ago. I used to do videos a long time ago on the channel, and then Carrie kind of took over and started doing all of the videos, and I do a lot more of the coding and stuff too. So from both of us, we just really wanted to say thank you. And Carrie, anything you want to add? Anything you want to say?
I think you said everything.
See, she likes talking when it's just her, but then once me and her, she won't talk anymore.
Because you do so good. You say everything I'm thinking, so there's no need to.
Oh, well, that's a nice answer. That's a good one. All right, so really, I think that's all we wanted to say today, was just thank you. We hope you're having a great Thanksgiving. Hope you're able to enjoy. We're having nice weather here today. I mean, we've had years where the weather is just terrible on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it's beautiful today.
No ice storms yet this year. So water just works. We haven't had to deal with frozen pipes and stuff. So this is a great November.
We have a lot to be thankful for.
Yeah, yep. That's definitely. If you go look at our videos from last year, check that out. We were dealing with some fun times on our first year on the farm where none of the water worked, and we were having to thaw ice to feed to water our animals, and it was chaos. So look at this.
Bob.
Look at Bob.
Why are you trying to eat my boots?
You see what we deal with, Bob.
He's going to steal the camera in a second.
Bob, do you know what happens to birds like you at Thanksgiving?
You should be very thankful to
Bob.
that he's loved. He's going to steal your feet.
Bob, stop it. All right. Well, have a good Thanksgiving, everyone. Good talking to y'all, and we'll hopefully have some news soon. So happy Thanksgiving. Bye.